what's up with Pop, y'all? It's your girl, Emiliana Designs, aka Sinceliana. So, I don't know which channel I'm gonna upload this on, but I am back to filming, you guys. Before we get into the unboxing, I want to show you guys a gadget I was using prior to receiving the overhead microphone mount phone holder, and you can tilt it, you know, you can tilt it, but you can't like tilt it down, which that would have been nice, but you can tilt it up and you can tilt it like backwards like this, which is weird, but you can't tilt it no more forward. And it has a little bit of lift, but not by much, so it's not that lifted. You know, it's just like a starter beginner phone holder if you just need something to hold your phone, or like you do like FaceTime with your friends or something, and then you can have like this or something. But anywho, this unboxing here, that will be my thumbnail. So I got this off of Amazon, y'all, and this was the best rated one because I try to look at the best ones. So anywho, let's open it together. So far we have the stand part, like the stem, then the screwy thingy holder-esque thing. This is the real holder part right here, and then this part is the part where you can like swivel it around and screw it in tight, screw the holder in tight. So here's the screwy thingy without the plastic thingy. Ooh. And you can open this not by much. I'm a little scared of that. Oh, can you do that on this side? No. Oh, Jesus. Okay, you can only do that on this side, and it doesn't stretch that much. I'm really scared of that. I'm actually highly concerned. This part right here, you have this here. You can go like this, you can go like this, and it comes out, and it has this screwy part on the end, and then there's a notch thing right here. You can probably loosen this up a little bit for something. I wouldn't loosen it up too much, but you can probably loosen that up. I like that. I like how you can bend this to however you want. I like that. Yeah, I really like that. So now we're going to put it together. This part goes on the bottom because that's how it is right here in this picture. Because I'm like, huh? How'd that work? So here y'all. So y'all can see it a little bit more closely. Don't be scared by my mannequin head. I have mannequin heads, mannequin arms, hands, and a mannequin in my room. Don't be scared, y'all. Okay. So this says to put it on your desk first. All right, y'all, I'm gonna put it on this side and not this side. Okay, so I'm undoing it, like unscrewing it so that this comes down, and then so that the piece of the wood or your desk can fit in between here, and then you're gonna screw it back up so that this comes back up. Okay. Okay, so that fits pretty well. Oh, they have some little bolts or something in that little bag there, but here it is. It's right here, and I screwed it on there, and then I'm gonna put this inside of the hole here. Bloop. Okay, yeah. So now step 3 is to screw this on here. I'm a little scared for this phone clip because that's what I was really worried about, but I don't know. Okay, what's this part? What's this? This off and unscrew that. It's just freaking weird. Anywho, and then wait a minute. This is confusing. Oh, look. Like this. To be in the studio like, hey, what's good? Like I'm finna be Ariana Grande. Watch this. If you want it, take it. I should have said it before. But I'm going to put it right side up so we can finish the install. So then you take this and you screw this on there. This is the part when I say I don't, yeah. I'm stronger than I've been before. That came in here and I feel like it should go down here, but I don't know. Oh, maybe it goes, I don't know. I don't know. If y'all have this, get this on Amazon. Tell me where this goes, because it's just really random. When I break free. Oh, Jesus, hold on. Y'all, it just fits. If y'all got a phone bigger than mine's, baby, it's not gonna work for you. Y'all got a phone bigger than mine, it ain't gonna work. Okay, so y'all, this is my phone right here. Hold on. Y'all might want to look up the specs and stuff for my phone, like the dimensions and the size and stuff, but it does have the case on it, okay? So keep that in mind. So this is my phone. This is the Samsung Note 8. My phone is overhead, okay? So this is how it looks from this angle. So if you do need to see what you're filming, you can see this way if you rotate it towards yourself, but kind of up on a diagonal. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave me a like, comment down below any questions. Both of the gadgets and my coloring book can all be found on Amazon. I will be leaving the links in the description box below. And please subscribe to my second channel, Liana Designs, where I help you get aligned with your creative side through business graphics and YouTube graphics. I see you on my next one. It's your girl, Sincerely, Yana.
Accept who you are and stand by your own definition of beauty. The infamous promo pic. Live life with intention and execution. It'll make your soul dance. And it has makeup, because you know how makeup, there's like concealer. So it says, don't conceal anything. Get ready for transformation. I love that.